Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, Make Your Business Grow Online. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about the amazing world of artificial intelligence in business. Today, we're discussing the top 10 ways you can leverage AI into your business. Let's jump right in. From automation to customer experience, AI is revolutionizing every aspect of business. Let's look at how. Number 1. Data analysis and insights. AI tools can analyze huge amounts of data quickly and accurately, providing real-time insights and predictive analysis. It's like having your own personal fortune teller for your business. Number 2. Automation. Tired of repetitive tasks? AI to the rescue. By automating data entry, scheduling, and even customer service queries, your team can focus on the tasks that really matter. Number 3. Customer experience. With AI, you can provide a personalized customer experience. Chatbots are ready to serve your customers 24/7, and intelligent recommendations make sure your customers always find what they're looking for. Number 4. Sales and marketing. AI can help you understand your customers' behavior and automate parts of the sales process. Imagine a salesman who never sleeps. That's AI for you. And number 5. Supply chain management. AI can predict demand, optimize logistics, and prevent bottlenecks. It's like a traffic cop for your supply chain. Halfway there. Number 6. Risk management and security. AI algorithms can monitor patterns to detect anomalies or potential threats, improving your cybersecurity. Sleep better at night knowing AI is keeping an eye out for you. Number 7. Product development. AI can assist in design and testing phases, enabling more iterations in less time. It's like having a team of engineers at your fingertips. Number 8. Human resources and recruitment. AI tools can streamline the hiring process and even help in employee engagement and training. It's your own personal HR assistant. Number 9. Financial management. AI can improve financial forecasting and enhance fraud detection, even automate invoicing. It's like having a financial advisor who works 24/7. And finally, number 10. Competitive analysis. AI tools can provide insights about your competitors, keeping you one step ahead in the game. There you have it. The top 10 ways you can leverage AI in your business. Remember, AI is an ally, and when strategically deployed, it can take your business to new heights. For more content like this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive deeper into these individual areas. Until then, stay smart, stay innovative, and keep leveraging AI. See you in our next video.